Hey Sip fam, it is your girl Chiquisha Sims, administrator here of RVA Sip and Dine, and today I am doing an unboxing, and this unboxing is featuring 5 wines from the Bright Cellars monthly subscription box. So if you want to see what wines I got, keep watching. All right, so one of my sip friends reached out to me on IG and was asking me would I be interested in trying out a subscription for with Bright Cellars. So typically they give you, I believe, 4 wines, but I kind of procrastinated, so they threw in an extra one for me. But basically what they do is when you first log into the Bright Cellars wine website, it's going to ask you some questions about like what kind of foods, desserts, coffee or tea. It's going to ask you a whole bunch of questions, and these questions are to try to formulate what type of wines you would like based on the other things that you like in your regular everyday life. Well, wine is my everyday regular life, but anyway. So after they do that, they give you a list of wines that they think that you may like. Now you can change, I think, 1 or 2 of them if you feel like that's not a choice for you, or if they duplicate. But once you do that, they will send you this nice package box with all the good wines. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna share the wines with you and let you see the contents of the box. I'm not gonna taste them right now. I will probably taste them, you know, as I open a bottle at a time. I don't have the Corvin, which is a contraption that you can use in natural corks. That way you don't have to open a full bottle and feel like you have to rush to drink the wine before it goes bad. So I don't have one of those, so I have to kind of like drink as I go. So I will definitely review the wines as I drink them, but today is just an unboxing. Okay, so when you open the box, this is the inside of the top of the box, and then you will pan down, and then this is the inside of the box. So you have this nice little envelope that says brands we love, and it has the Bright Cellar logo on there. And let's pull these things out. All right, so it has some little coupons. I've seen a commercial with these flavored water bottles. I might have to try them out. So you have a little card with that, and then I'm not going to show my little code, but you get a $30 NIF gift card valid at 7,000 businesses nationwide. Okay, so after you've opened the envelope, then you have this nice cover that's on the box, and it just basically says your wine experience has arrived. Open the bottle to celebrate. It says how to maximize your wine experience. Choose a bottle to try first. Pick something unfamiliar. It could be your new favorite. Rate your wine as you drink. The more you rate, the more precise your matches will be. And I like that because that's what I said I was going to do, 1 bottle at a time. So right here they have these little save, these cards that you want to save, and these have information about the actual wine in the box. So this will tell you box 1, wine wisdom, and then it'll tell you what each box of wine wisdom is. So your intro box, which is boxes 1 through 3, and then by the time you get to boxes 10 and up, you are a wine expert. It shows you how to open the wine bottle. It also tells you how to serve the temperatures for your wine, and it tells you how to store your wine. And this is really good because, you know, even if you're a seasoned wine person, sometimes you forget and you need a little reminder, so I really like this. So then the next thing you have, these are the cards for each one of the wine bottles that are included in the package, and it has the descriptions on the back. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, so as you can see, the first 2 are here at the top. And then the last 3 are here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and go in the order of the cards and just kind of give you a little bit of info on each bottle. All right, so the first one we're going to go over, this is a Cypress Tannin, and this is a red wine. This is a full body red. Typically with fuller body red wines, I've never been a huge fan, but I'm very interested in drinking them now because I have been expanding my palate, and I've kind of graduated from light body to medium, so I'll be interested to see how I feel about these full bodies, and I think all of them are full body. But anyway, so this is the Cypress Tannet, and Tannet is the type of grape that they use to make the wine, and it's also paired with blackberry, boysenberry, leather, and black pepper. It's a 16.2 alcohol ABV, which is very high. It tells you what to pair it with. It tells you the region that the wine was made, and it also tells you what temperature to keep your wine at. So I really like that they pair it with these cards so you can drink it and kind of know what's in there, and you can try to kind of let your palate taste those flavors to help train you when you're trying to figure out what you're drinking. So this is the Cypress Tannet. All right, so the next one I believe is pronounced Gladiolus. This is a white wine, as you can see. Very pretty, very pretty. So this is an orange muscat. Why I feel like Fred Sanford used to drink muscat. Anyway, so this is a ABV of 13.6%, which is still pretty high. It's a sweet white, so it's going to be probably on your light body side. And I'm interested to see how sweet this is, because now that I'm into a lot of red blends, I really don't like a lot of sweet. But this has honey, peach, white cherry, and orange blossoms. And it tells you how to serve it, so you want to serve it chilled. And it also has, again, like the rest of the cards do, the pairings and the region where it was made, and along with the temperature, if I didn't say that as well. All right, so our next one is Humdrum. And this is a red, and it's a Cabernet Franc. And I've actually tried this with my Black Girls Wine Club before. Not this brand, but the Cabernet Franc, and I kind of liked it. So this one is full body. It's got a high alcohol content of 15.4%, and this has raspberries, strawberries, plum, and some bell pepper. So it's got like a little spice to the end of it. And ooh, Philly cheesesteaks. My husband eats these all the time, so I might have to eat one with him so I can taste it with this Humdrum Cabernet Franc. All right, so the next one is Nihilus Wine Co., and this is a Cabernet Sauvignon. I might try this tonight because we are having steak. So I'll definitely let y'all know how this one tastes. Again, another full body. And it has black raspberry, plum, some oak, and vanilla, and it is 14.6%. Now, this is a 2016 vintage, and what I have been learning in my wine journey is that 2016 was not a great year for wine companies. Something happened in, I think, the California region. And yeah, 2016 wasn't that great, but I'm going to still try it and see what I think. So I'll let y'all know sometime by the end of the week when I'm thinking about this Cabernet Sauvignon. All right, so this last one I'm actually hype about trying, because when I first started drinking wine, the first red wine that I actually liked was a Marbach. I really, really liked it. So this is Whistling Arrow, and this is a 13.9 full-bodied wine, and it has plum, black cherries, raspberries, and baking spice. That sounds delicious. And it says it goes good with spicy beef enchiladas, blue cheeseburgers, and Wednesday night dinners. I mean, why Wednesday night dinners? Anyway, so I'm interested in really trying this one. And again, this one has the temperature and the region like all the rest of them. And then at the bottom of each card, it has stars where you can rate them. So yeah. All right, so these are all of the wines that they picked for me based on the questions that I answered. You typically get 4 bottles, but I did get a 5th one. But I would definitely say try this subscription out at least one time. I do have a link so you can get $50 off your first subscription. All you have to do is go to my Linktree bio, and there is a link there where you can go do your survey, let them pick the wine. You use that $50 off, and it is so worth the $50 off. So if you are interested, make sure you click that link, and when you get your subscription, let me know. I will be interested to know what you think about the wines and the choices that they picked for you. So I'm excited about trying these and sharing my opinions, because they are my opinions, with you guys. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see another one, I will definitely do another unboxing whenever I get another subscription. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and finish dinner so I can try either this one or this one, but you'll have to stay tuned. Make sure you have your notifications on so you know anytime I post a new video or a new post on my story. So I'm out until next time, Sip Fam. Peace.